YouTube, Rumble. Good afternoon. Oh, I apologize for not being around this morning. I received a early morning, way too early morning, come help me call. It took me 3 hours south and then 3 more hours back north. But everything's cool. Friday. Freedom Friday. Don't have any more hardware to show off yet. Somebody suggested a pocket dump. Yep, when I leave the premises, I'm carrying 3 pieces of hardware. One on the hip, one goes in the car jacker mount, and there's one in the glove box for a passenger if needed. But I carry my keys. See? Cool. On a little skull. Yeah. I carry backup keys. Yes, I've been known to like my keys in the car. Yeah. Put them in this pocket. I carry my Zippo. This one is courtesy of Piperkin. I carry a backup Zippo. This one's courtesy of the incredible one, Miss Cindy. And I rotate. I got one here from Uncle Willie. I got one from Jose Golf Piper. They get rotated. On the left hip, case is courtesy of Danny, River Rat. Carry a Buck 103. In the front pocket, carry the backup. This one's got cool skulls on it and stuff. This one came courtesy of Miss Julie. It's either Christmas or my birthday. I can't remember which, but they're really close together, so. Don't carry a wallet. Well, I'd carry a wallet, but I don't sit on a wallet. It's in the console of the truck. If I need to go in somewhere where I need a wallet, it goes in the front pocket. I learned after 41 years of sitting on a wallet, it'll screw your back up. Also in the truck is a plastic case about yay big that carries spare magazines for what's in the truck and on my hip. And that's it for my pocket dump. Always, always have a backup to your primary. I'm wore out. But I got home and I I relieved Rita, my sister, who's not my sister. She said, Mom's been pretty good today. You know, she ate and did everything. And Rita wasn't out of the driveway and she wanted to argue. So I'm like, so much for taking a nap. I'm just gonna come out to the corner of solitude. I'm waiting for my phone to ring for her to call and continue the argument. Let her calm down for an hour. Things will be back to normal. That's right. I was going to show Uncle Willie another one of my hand carved pipes, but I forgot it in the house. I'll do it in the I'll do it in the morning. If morning comes. Anyways, I'm going to skedaddle, get this loaded up, figure out what I'm going to make for dinner tonight. She said something at 5 o'clock this morning about making sloppy joes, which that's easy. I can dig on that. That's what we're going to go with, I think, unless she's changed her mind again. Hope you're well. Hope you're safe. Every day's a school day. If you're not learning, you are being left behind. Go be kind. It's free. Make somebody smile. I'll see y'all in the morning.